Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and hi, weather gods. Now, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm saying hi, weather gods, because Meg's app, the weather gods app, just went off. Anyway, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everybody's doing well today. Welcome back to another video with the YouTube channel Thomas and Meg. In this video, I'm going to do a cold start on my Steel BG86C handheld leaf blower. So last night, last night, so I went outside last night. I was using it. I shut it off. It wouldn't start. And then a little while later, I went back outside and it started back up. This thing, guys, honestly, unfortunately, is on its last leg. We'll see what it does right now. But yeah. I did ask my aunt if I could have their blower, my aunt and uncle's blower, because my uncle can't start it anymore because of his balance, and my aunt really doesn't use it. They really don't use it. They really don't use it. So I asked her if I could have it. So anyway, that is that. So I'm gonna fill this up, and we'll see what she does, guys. Stay tuned for our night manager video. And what else? The keyboard.
What am I been up to on Nikki's channel?
Right, and stay tuned for the keyboard video.
Yep.
I'm not sure if Nikki and I are gonna do a keyboard video today, guys, but what is it? But Megan and I are gonna do a keyboard video tonight. You still want to do that tonight, babe?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I'm priming her, and we'll hope for the best, because like I said, this thing honestly is on its last leg. Okay, Concho, let's see what happens. Oh, it fired. No, it didn't. Well, it started.
That's good. Come on, blower, stop giving up on us.
take care, and we'll see you all in the next one. You all take care.